Today we will outline how to use the four solid sample holders provided with the FLS1000 and FS5 spectrometers. This includes the large and small spring clamps, the screw clamp, and the De-Mountable Cuvette. For the small spring clamp, thin film samples may be loaded directly by pressing the metal button to open the jaws of the clamp, inserting the sample, and releasing the spring. For the screw clamp, screws are used to hold crystalline samples in place, which are then inserted into the small spring clamp. Alternatively, thin films that are too large or too small for the spring clamps may be laid against a quartz slide inserted into the large spring clamp. Powder samples are held using the De-Mountable Cuvette. Insert powder into the lower half of the recessed quartz slide. It is important to not use too much powder so that the sample doesn't leak out of the recess. The planar quartz slide is then placed on top, and the cuvette is inserted into the large spring clamp. The clamp may be gently tapped to improve homogeneity of the powder in this cuvette. If you would like to stay up to date with our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.